Hello, I'm Shifu Malin with the Clearwater Kung Fu Center. This is my assistant Melissa, and this is Kung Fu for Health. The stretch that we're going to be working right now is a laying down stretch. So Melissa, let's go ahead and seat onto the floor. And let's go ahead and lay all the way onto your back. Okay, so at this point, this is called a seated leg cross. Okay, you're going to cross your leg over your thigh. Okay, here. Now you're going to bring your left foot, the left foot close in, and you're going to take your right hand, reach in between the leg, and grab on the opposite side. Okay. Now from here, you're going to allow this knee and the hands to pull in toward your chest this way. You want to make sure that your back is staying flat and your head is on the floor. If this is too difficult for you to get a hold of, what you're going to do is you're going to bring your hands, you can go ahead and release and grab underneath the thigh this way. Okay, so you can go here or on top, either way. You want to hold the stretch for at least 15 to 30 seconds, and remember to breathe. Breathe in and exhale deeply. You'll feel this on the outer hip joint, okay, all throughout your outer glutes, all the way up the leg. So this is a very important stretch for developing flexibility on the outside of your hip. This is how we perform lying cross-leg pull-in stretch, Kung Fu for Health.